today we have seen the sunrise in Sitges. We filmed here before. It's a town 20-30 minutes away from Barcelona, and today we have a beautiful SUV. As a massive fan of sports SUVs that I am super excited to be driving this car today. It's a one of one. It's got a body kit from Larte. It has a unique color wrap that only the owner has. It's named after him. He's brought up the horsepower. It's an absolutely mad car. But yeah, just a massive thank you to Arya, the owner of this car. So make sure you follow him on Instagram just to see this car nearly on a daily basis. Because once you see it and once you hear it, you're going to want to see this car every single day. So here we have it. It's a Mercedes-Benz Gle63S AMG. Has 612 horsepower stock, but he's done a stage 2, so he now has over 760 horsepower. Has 1150 Newton meters of torque. Price wise, body kit, it's about 30,000 ish. The wheels, they're also Boston wheels. I believe they were 8,000, and the 23-inch wheels, that was another 3 grand. So 10 grand in total for the wheels. So the Larte design kit includes all new badging, so the Mercedes logo, the AMG and the model logo. Then we have this rear diffuser, also from Larte, that just gives it such an aggressive and just makes the car in general more special and more interesting. Something that I really like from this car is the typical like small touch, but you just for some reason fall in love with, is Larte includes these 2 brake lights. Also we have this wing and a nice badge over there. So they've taken the AMG badge and just put theirs. And also this front lip is from Larte, in gloss black. And yeah, the wrap we haven't really mentioned much, apart that it's one of one and it's signed by the owner. It's a lot of people ask what color it is. The owner said it's like a mint green, turquoisey color. The beautiful thing is this car changes completely when you see it at night, when you see it at sunrise, or when you see it in complete daylight. And of course we do have a modified exhaust. The whole system of the exhaust, all the pipes, they've all been changed. Okay, so it has started to rain. It's calmed a bit now, but for all of you that want to come to Spain to enjoy the sun, unfortunately you will have some rain occasionally, especially if I'm filming. So we don't have anything from Larte in the interior. It all comes from the Mercedes-Benz personalization program, but still the interior is obviously incredible. We have loads of carbon fiber all over the car, also some in the back. And then we have the new Mercedes big screen. It has some really cool features, like we go to comfort, we can have a massage. And then going back to the fun stuff, if we turn on the car, the exhaust changes depending on the mode. If we go to sports mode, you get a lot more bangs than if you were to go to comfort mode. To listen to this engine. I'm in comfort mode, by the way. I think I gotta just put sports mode. Just gotta leave this area to be able to push it. There we go. I have to say, I have tried how you've seen in other videos, X4M competition, X3M competition. They're not comfortable. They're really good cars, but they're not. This car, I just push the car, Sport Plus mode, super comfort. You feel like you're in a cloud, and you still feel the power. I mean, it's the driving experience, I was expecting, because of the weight and everything, to be like my previous experience with similar cars like the X4, but I'm generally surprised how well compensated the weight is in the car when you accelerate and when you brake and everything. And also the smile you get on people's faces when they hear you. A man was just walking past in the rain and he didn't care he was getting wet. He was enjoying life just listening to this car. Alright, so we've just arrived to a big straight line. I think it's a must to safely try this car with the rain in a straight line, no traffic, private road. It's time to hear this beast roar. Okay, Sports Plus, and I guess just time to go 0 to 100. In, I don't know how long, but it wasn't launch control, but I mean, you feel it. Honestly, I think I was levitating. I was literally stuck to the seat. Mad. Just incredible. I mean, I don't want to push it too hard because it's raining, but incredible. Amazing. By far the best car I've ever driven, the most fun car. Woo. Must do this again. This is like, you can't stop doing it. I guess it's time to finish the... I don't know if you can even hear me, to be honest. I've just thought about it. Maybe you can't even hear me all this time. Anyway, what I do want to say is, I hope you've enjoyed this video. You've managed to at least feel a bit, just a tiny bit at least, of what this car is capable of the sound and the uniqueness of the exterior especially. And yeah, with this last acceleration, I end this week's video, and I'll see you next time.